I have installed the new head unit for my BMW E61, and that is because if you have factory radio on E61, not sure if every radio does this, but I couldn't play music from my phone. I could do it with aux cable or by using transmitter, but you don't have Android Auto, you don't have CarPlay. Simply it's too old for that. But I didn't want to have some weird looking. I have seen some cheap radios that goes maybe here on the dashboard and it is just looking terrible. And also I still wanted to keep my OEM features. So now check this out, I have Android Auto. This is head unit from iDoing company, by the way. Also I will leave it in description. You can search for your specific models. They have a bunch of different head units. Now I am in Android menu. Here you can change applications. And I am using original iDrive button or wheel in BMW to control everything. So I have installed this car scanner app, and I also have OBD connector plugged in my OBD2 port. And now it is successfully connected to my car's ECU, and I have built this custom dashboard page. And now I can see I have RPM here, I have speed, acceleration, I have coolant temperature, because BMW E60, a lot of BMWs will not show you your coolant temperature. So I added a bunch of these parameters and I can have this live dashboard. But still, best part of this iDoing radio units, or if you have some better radio unit, you can still keep your OEM functionality of radio. So here I have the tab Car Info. If I go to this Car Info, this is same like my original factory display before. So here I can use it to play CDs, radio, phone. I don't use those because those I can use with my Android Auto. But for example, if I want to use my OEM navigation, I can do that here. There is also my vehicle information. So same like with old factory display, you can check stuff like your engine oil level, tire pressures, 100% everything that I had before. I still have in this one tab of this new radio, but on top of that you can still use it for a bunch of other things. So whatever you want to do, I built my own custom dashboard for live data, but everything you do on tablet, you can install Netflix, you can watch movies, so it is pretty nice upgrade from original radio. And for the installation, I got this, you will get manual, and installation wasn't hard. I mean, you don't have to solder any wires. All you have to do is also this will depend on which radio you will buy and which car you have, because here on this X60 you have this display unit, but radio is hidden under this area, so you have to take it apart. But for most cars you have just one unit that is also display and radio in one, so it will be easier. But even here wasn't that hard, so I had to pull out radio, so you have to take all these trims apart, and then you take original cable from radio, you connect it to this unit. Then if you have optical cable, this is probably the hardest part. If you have optical cable, you have to take it from original connector and put it into the new connector, but it is easy, you just have to use some small screwdriver, and it wasn't that hard. And then for original cars display to be working, there was one cable that needed to be connected, and I didn't know where to connect it, so I messaged the iDoing support and they were very helpful. You can see their technician showed me exactly which cable I have to connect where, so they have pretty good support as well.